Exclusive. Buhari's minister, Malami, intervenes to defend suspended Nigerian Ports Authority boss Adiza in court. Welcome to the news, and please subscribe to our channel. That the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, being the law officer of the Federation, I have to withdraw from the suit. That the defendants will not be prejudiced by this application. I dispose to this affidavit in good faith, believing same to be true and in accordance with the oath act. Now the news in detail. The Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, has opted to defend the suspended Managing Director of the Nigerian Port Authority, NPA, Adiza Bala Usman, in a suit filed against her and others. The suit is now between Elder Asubex, Mr. Tompra Abarowei, and Mr. Miyabi Senhe as the plaintiffs, and President Muhammad Buhari, Minister of Transport Adiza Bala Usman, and Chairman of the Board of NPA, Emmanuel Adesoye. Bala and Usman Adesoye being the third and fourth defendants. From documents obtained by Sahara reporters, Emmanuel Ogboji, counsel for Usman, and Emmanuel Adesoye, chairman of NPA board, stated that he had resigned from defending the Bala Usman and Adesoye following the intervention of the Attorney General. A source noted as the hearing of the originating summons resumes at the Federal High Court Ikoyi on Thursday, President Buhari is opting to defend Adiza in court. Also, the AGF has taken over the defense of Adiza and Emmanuel Adesoye. He had asked Adiza's lawyer to hands off. Imagine President Muhammad Buhari is opting to defend a public office holder who is on suspension based on alleged corruption charges. Meanwhile, Ogboji, in the document dated August 13, 2021, explained that he had to withdraw from the case considering the status of Malami as the law officer of the Federation. The document reads, "Take notice that this Honorable Court moved to the 4th of November 2021 at the hour of 9 o'clock in the forenoon or so soon thereafter, as counsel may be heard on behalf of a third and fourth defendant for grant the counsel of a third and fourth defendant permission to withdraw his appearance and other processes filed in the suit due to the intervention of the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, and for such further or other orders as these honorable courts may deem fit to make in the circumstances." Another document dated 13th of August 2021 reads, "Barrister Ogboji A. Emmanuel, male, Christian, a citizen of Nigeria, number 30B, Juliana Ibeyin Plaza, Okbabi Road, Ikeja, Lagos, do hereby make oath and state as follows: that I am the above-named person whose passport photograph is attached herein, that I am the solicitor representing the third and fourth defendants in this suit, and by virtue of the position, I am conversant with the facts of this case. That Nigerian Port Authority that instructed me to defend the third and fourth defendants had informed me that the Attorney General of the Federation has intervened in this suit. That the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, being the law officer of the Federation, I have to withdraw from the suit. That the defendant will not be prejudiced by this application. I dispose to this affidavit in good faith, believing same to be true and in accordance with the oath act." In May, Buhari removed Adiza for no stated reason, but at the heart of Usman's suspension is a cargo tracking note (CTN) contract given out to a Lebanese syndicate by top government officials. Further investigation revealed that the controversial CTN contract was prepared for the Lebanese proxies by Senate President Ahmad Lawan, the Minister of Transportation Rotimi Amechi, alongside Malami, to rake in money into their coffers. Sahara reporters have reported that the top government officials also got President Muhammad Buhari to buy into their deal, which is under the NPA jurisdiction, to swindle the country and its ailing economy. On March 21st, the president announced that he had directed Amechi to reintroduce the CTN, citing the increase in banditry across the nation and ideas to beef up security in the country. Buhari had been cajoled that the CTN contract would play a crucial role in enabling the nation's address the growing spate of insecurity around cargo handling, according to top sources. A competent source has said Malami and the Senate president are behind the deal. Finally, they awarded it to a Lebanese. It is 100% confirmed because they even wanted us to do the contract. But when we realized that they were interested in looting, we backed out. The Lebanese man will be giving them $300,000 monthly. That was one of the reasons behind Usman's removal. It was a contract on container tracking, but there is still rivalry in the whole contract. There is the Amechi camp on one side, as well as Malami and Senate President on the other side. Also, it was gathered that Usman lied to Vice President Yemi Osibanjo, Malami, San, and the Senate about the recommendation of a committee she had set up to investigate the dredging project at the Calabar port. Usman has reportedly lied that the dredging the Calabar port was not viable, whereas the report of a committee indeed proved that work had commenced at Calabar port and that it was viable. But Usman ignored the reports of a committee and insisted that the job must be stopped. Sources private to the issue said Usman took the position because he wanted a job for her cronies and not a neutral company. Another document obtained by this newspaper showed that the NPA's budget audit report has again uncovered how over 18 billion naira expenditure could not be explained under Adiza's watch between 2016 and 2017. In documents obtained by Sahara reporters, which are from the audit of the Budget Performance Report (BPR) for 2016 and 2017, the NPA is being investigated for excessive increase in administrative expenditure and operational expenses, in which the NPA incurred questionable expenses at the tune of 18 billion naira. One of the documents reads, "As part of the exercise, the team performed an analytical review of the administrative and operational expenses incurred by this authority as contained in the Budget Performance Report for the year 2016 and 2017. It was observed that the total expenditure reported by the authority increased astronomically from 128% from 87,474,781,088 naira to 198,989,352,119 naira. In 2017, of particular concern was the administrative expenses, which increased by 72% from 26,126,990,784 in 2016